I think we're ready to go to launch these rockets. We're going to launch Kevin's rocket first, then the Rocketeers group will launch those next. I'll do some close-ups as well, and let's see how these things go. First, we're going to launch for height, so we're going to measure that for hang time. The number of seconds from launch to the time it comes back and hits the ground. That's just our best way to measure it, since we can't measure the actual altitude in an easy way. So we're going to measure it in seconds in the air. Here we go. Okay, first up we have Kevin's rocket. I'll give you a look at the rocket. I've already pressurized it. Basically, here's what we got here. This is Kevin's rocket design. And this is the whole system here. So we have the water tank, just a little bit of water in there. You can see a little bit of water in the bottle there. And the bike pump pressurizes it the rest of the way. So you put a little bit of water, the rest is pressure. There's almost 100, you can see it on the gauge there. About 90 PSI of air pressure inside, so that when Bryce releases it here, it should send it soaring. So I'm gonna get nice and close here, try to get a good view of the launch. And Maddie's gonna be measuring the hang time in seconds. So from the time it launches to the time it hits the ground. All right, and it does have a fall away nose cone on it. This allows it to fly a little bit better. Since Kevin didn't include a nose cone in his design, I'm using the fall away one that is recommended by the kit. So you'll see that come off at some point, but it's gonna give it a little bit better launch. Are we all ready here, guys?
Yes.
Okay, Matt, you ready? So as soon as I say 3, 2, 1, and Bryce hits it, you're going, okay? All right, Bryce, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna sit right here.
Okay.
I might get wet, but let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God.
There it goes. There goes the nose cone, and stop. All right, we're gonna measure that distance. Bryce, don't move it, please. All right, how many seconds? 5 seconds in the air. Yeah, it's surprising. I mean, 5 seconds goes pretty fast. So nice job, cool launch. This is the vertical launch. So again, actually we're not measuring distance on this one. I'm wrong. We were just measuring the hang time. So we got about 5 seconds. Great job, Kevin. All right, next up we have Team Rocketeers. That's Maddie, Emma, Kira, and Ananjali. You can see the rocket design here. Theirs includes a nose cone, which, by the way, we got to find that nose cone. It's out there. So we won't put the fall away nose cone on it. So same deal. It has a little bit of water in it, same amount. About, like I said, 90 PSI of pressure there. You can see it on the gauge. And we're ready to launch. We're going to measure the hang time again in seconds. So let's see if they can beat 5 seconds. Matt, are you ready? Bryce, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, launch. Stop. 5.
They both go to like 6, but then I have to stop it. Like it already hit.
Okay, and it only measures full seconds? Okay, fair enough, 5 seconds. So it's a tie on hang time. All right, that's fair enough. Nothing wrong with that. So next we're gonna measure for distance. So we're gonna reset here and put this at a 45-degree angle so that we can get an angled launch. And I guess we're gonna send it that way. We'll see, because the wind kind of is headed that way today towards GTMS. So let's get ready for that. Almost forgot, we do have one more. Bryce had built a rocket when we were doing the testing phase of this launcher. So to give us one more launch, we're gonna send it up and also time it. So is everybody ready? All right, again, this is your rocket here, bud. All right, everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, launch. Stop. 2 seconds. So a little bit quicker, that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. All right, you can see where we're headed there. You You can see the slight difference in all of them. So next we will move on to our distance challenge. So let's get that set. All right, next up we're set up for our angled distance launch. We're gonna go in the same order of the rockets, and we're gonna be measuring the distance that it travels at a 45-degree angle roughly. All right, so here we go. All right, first up on the angle launch, we have Kevin's, and we're gonna measure this one for distance. Bryce has the tape measure ready. Maddie's launching. Everybody ready?
Set.
3, 2, 1, launch.
Whoa, I heard that echo.
There it is right there. We're gonna go ahead and get a measurement on that. Furthest. $39 feet 4 inches for Kevin's. Nice job. All right, next up we have the Rocketeers ready to go on the angled launch. Again, we're going in the direction of the wind as best we can. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, launch. I got soaked, and yeah, it kind of had a weird launch there. We might have to try that one again, but we will measure it. Here we go. What is it? 36 feet 8 inches. All right, we're gonna try one more time just to see if wind was a factor at launch. All right, second launch, Team Rocketeers, just to see if that first one was a fluke, with it kind of taking a nose dive there. So let's see what happens. Ready? 3, 2, 1, launch. Nope, not a fluke. We'll measure it. I totally got that in the face, and so did the GoPro. So that was another good one. Matt, hold the tape tight for him. So I don't know if you can even see me because the lens is really dirty, but yeah. Bryce, you're pulling away, buddy. Yeah, sometimes like a nose cone, for example, I think might be what's kind of causing it to dive, potentially. But no big deal. That's how we learn. Still fun to launch it either way.
35 feet. Exactly. 36 feet.
No, you're looking at the wrong side, I think, buddy. 30 what? 36 feet? Okay. Very good.
Well, that's not better. We're counting that.
All right, fair enough. All right, we have Bryce's now. All right, third launch on the angle is Bryce's rocket. Also has a nose cone, so let's see what it does. And then I think we'll try some launches with a plain bottle and the fins that come with this rocket launcher. So you ready, Bryce?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna launch. I'm hoping I don't keep getting soaked and mudded up here, but I'm gonna stay close. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Go measure it, bud. You can leave the tape measure right there. Just look right next to it. You don't need to hold it, bud. Just look.
Mine is 38 feet.
38 feet. All right. Good job. Good job. Now let's try the plain bottle. All right. Next we have the standard soda bottle with the fin kit. Comes with the thing. Let's just see how it does in comparison to the other ones. We ready to launch?
Yes.
All right. 3, 2, 1, launch.
Oh, wow. Oh, my.
Oh no, the nose cone didn't come off. Oh, that was a tough landing.
Can I go get it?
I don't think we could even measure that one, guys. Look at that. That was quite a launch there. All right, I'll send it almost into the woods over there. We're gonna give it a rough estimate. Here we go. All right, so far we got 300. Stop! Grab it, man. 300 inches to that point. 300. All right, Bryce, go to the rocket. So 300, not inches, 300 feet. So 300 feet to where Maddie is, plus how many more feet, bud? So 344 feet. All right. Now we'll do one last launch with this rocket for hang time. Let's see how long it can hang up there. All right, final launch of the day. We got the standard rocket with the fins and the fall away nose cone. Pumped up to 100 PSI. We want to see how high this thing can fly. Maddie's going to do it on the stopwatch. Bryce is going to launch. Everybody ready? 3, 2, 1. Holy moly, there it is, right up above us. There, oh, the nose cone fell off, which is good. Still going, still going. Ready to stop and stop. Huh? 14 seconds. Yeah, that gets some serious air there. So Bryce is gonna go grab that one. That's gonna do it. Great job, thank you for participating, guys. It's a lot of fun. It's a really cool launcher and just a fun project. Wish we could have done it at school, but you know, it was fun to come out here and do it today. Get a little dirty, get a little wet, and you know, just a really nice day for this. So thanks again, stay safe, be well, and hope everybody's doing great and you have a great summer. Take care, guys. See ya.
Bye.